Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now we are starting a session where we try to resolve the problems while using XAMPP control panel. The very common error which we have shown in our display is like this. When you get access for your PHP My Admin panel, this certain error will pop up. Now we will provide you the solution for how to resolve this error. Like firstly, we have to open our XAMPP control panel. All the things are perfectly fine, like the Apache module and the MySQL. These both are working fine. Now why the error is going on? Just come to your control panel, and here you have to enter into the config my.inn. This will be file. In this file you have to change like this one, like port 3306 port is a default port. You have to change that port, like you have to change it with any another port like 3306. You have to replace it with 007. Okay, this one, all the ports were replaced like this. You have to save that file and close this. Now you have to go to the main config like this. There you have again, there is a service and port setting. Now you have to go to the Apache and MySQL. See, there is an 3306 port. You have also changed it to 7 and save the setting like this. Now you have to again start your MySQL again like this. Now it's working. Now you have to just enter like this, local PHP myadmin. Okay. Now you get enter to your PHP myadmin panel. Now you can use it. Thanks for being with us. We will come back with our next video. Thank you.